Hi, Direct Elwood. So, how are you feeling tonight? Kasi alam ko na kailang famous na kayo. Ano masasabi niyo sa famous na to?
Edgy because I know I'm gonna fumble when it comes to the acceptance speech. I'm very poor with these things.
Can you tell me about your upcoming project?
Well, it's almost finished. The final cut has been redone. I don't know which version is going to end up in the on screen. Kasi pag-aaralan ko pa yung speech ko, baka makalimutan. Maliwanag naman pala dito na star, my father.
Yeah. So you're the same table kila Coco, kila Catherine, kila Miss Cory. Do you di ba, mga young stars yan eh. Sila Coco, sila Catherine. Have you thought of working with them, if ever?
Catherine, I think appeared in my movie when she was a little girl.
Ooh.
But I don't even remember. I didn't know before. I found out just recently. Coco Martin, well, I know him because he's from Pampanga. And he's Coco Martin. I know that despite his popularity, he's really a very nice guy.
So, sir, isa sa mga nakatrabaho niyo na di ba, big stars talaga si Nora Aunor. So, ito, I'm putting up kasi parang mini documentary. Ano naisip niya pag narinig niyo yung pangalang Nora Aunor this day?
For me, she's the luckiest person in the world, and that's actually trying to get the line from hindi naman darating sila dyan eh, sila Coco Martin. Sorry. Sige nga, ask me the same question.
Yeah, ano po yung naisip niya pag narinig niyo ang pangalang Nora Aunor?
Well, Nora Aunor may just be the luckiest person in the world. For me, right this moment. But how do you put that ba? Parang nag-quote from a song. Kasi ang signature song niya was people who need people are the luckiest people. Parang may vibe niya yun.